Ever wondered if getting a new bank account feels like waiting for a slow-motion movie to end? You fill out the forms, you provide your details, and then, crickets? Well, when it comes to opening a Lloyds account, you might be pleasantly surprised by how quickly things can move, especially with modern banking options. Gone are the days of endless paperwork and multiple branch visits for every banking need. Today, speed and convenience are key, and Lloyds Bank has certainly adapted to that. So, let's cut to the chase. How long does it really take to get a Lloyds account? The short answer is, it depends, but often it can be surprisingly fast, sometimes even almost instantaneous for certain aspects. The fastest route for many is applying online or through their mobile banking app. If you have a UK passport or a current UK photo driving license, the application process can be streamlined considerably. You'll answer a few simple questions about how you intend to use the account, provide your personal details, address history, income, employment, and contact information. Once submitted, in many cases, you will receive confirmation relatively quickly. However, getting an account isn't just about the application being submitted. It's about when you can actually start using your account for daily transactions, and if you're switching from another bank, when that switch is complete. If you're simply opening a new account and not switching from another bank, once your application is approved, which can be very fast online if your identity and address are easily verified, you'll typically get your account details promptly. Your debit card usually arrives in the mail within a few working days. So, from hitting submit on your application to being able to make online payments or use your card, you could be looking at a matter of days. Now, let's talk about switching. Lloyds Bank is part of the current account switch service, which is designed to make moving your banking incredibly simple, reliable, and stress-free. If you're using this service to switch your existing current account to Lloyds, the entire process is guaranteed to take just 7 working days. Here's a quick breakdown of how that 7 working day switch works. Working day 1 the switch officially begins. Lloyds contacts your old bank to kick things off. Working day 2 you'll receive confirmation that your old bank has acknowledged the request, and the transfer of your payment arrangements, direct debits, standing orders, starts. Working days 3-5 these days are dedicated to ensuring all your payment arrangements are moved over smoothly and your new Lloyds account is fully prepared for the switch date. Working day 6 if you have a debit balance at your old account that needs clearing, you'll need to make sure there are sufficient funds in your new Lloyds account to cover it. Working day 7 this is the big day. Your switch is complete. Your balance is transferred, and your old account is closed. After the switch, any payments accidentally made to your old account will be automatically redirected to your new Lloyds account, and the sender will be notified of your new details. The current account switch guarantee even offers a refund for any interest or charges incurred due to a failure in the switch. What about documentation? To open an account, you'll generally need proof of identity and proof of address. A current UK photo driving license or a UK passport are often sufficient if you're applying online or via the app. If you don't have these, you might need 2 separate documents, one for identity, like a foreign passport, national ID card, or certain benefit letters, and one for address, like a utility bill, council tax bill, or bank statement, usually dated within the last 6 to 12 months. Lloyds mobile banking app can even facilitate some of these identity checks using your phone's camera. Opening a new Lloyds account, particularly online or via the app, can be a very quick process, often taking just a few minutes to apply and then a few working days to receive your card. If you're switching from another bank, the guaranteed current account switch service ensures it's completed within 7 working days. The key is having your necessary identification and address documents ready. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.